Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact SDK build and platform. This matters because mismatched binaries cause runtime failures. Once done, grant microphone and network permissions so the engine can access audio and signaling. Next, make sure to close the app, clear its cache, and replace any suspect SDK. Or framework with a verified copy. This removes corrupted binaries. You do these steps now to prevent wasted debugging later and to create a solid baseline for the next phase. Now you integrate the SDK into the app lifecycle because improper initialization causes silent failures. Initialize the voice client in on create or on resume, and ensure you tear it down in on pause or on destroy so resources free properly. Configure sample rate, codec, and buffer size to match device capabilities. Mismatch causes stutter. Also update manifest or info. List entries for permissions and network transports. Finally, enable debug logs and perform a live test on a real. To finish, run a full multiplayer test and verify NAT and turn server reachability because connectivity is the most common runtime fault. If you hear echo or clipping, enable automatic gain control and echo cancellation, then tweak gain and the jitter buffer to stabilize audio. Once done, confirm performance across devices. If problems remain, collect SDK logs, reproduce the issue in the smallest possible project, and roll back to the last working build while you compare differences. That gives you a clear path to root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.